Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about an incredibly important topic: how to make your liver healthy. Your liver plays a vital role in detoxifying your body, so it's essential to take care of it. In this video, we'll share some valuable tips and tricks to keep your liver in top shape. Let's get started. Before we jump into the tips, let's quickly go over the function of the liver. The liver helps filter toxins from our blood, metabolizes nutrients, and produces bile to aid in digestion. Taking care of this hardworking organ is crucial for our overall well-being. Tip number 1, maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can lead to a condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which can harm your liver's function. Focus on incorporating a balanced diet and regular exercise into your lifestyle to maintain a healthy weight. Tip number 2, eat a liver-friendly diet. Include foods that promote liver health in your meals. Some excellent choices are leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, which are rich in antioxidants and help protect the liver. Additionally, foods like garlic, turmeric, and green tea can have beneficial effects on liver function. Tip number 3, stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day helps your liver perform its functions efficiently. It aids in flushing out toxins and prevents dehydration, which can strain the liver. Tip number 4, engage in regular exercise. Physical activity not only helps you maintain a healthy weight, but it also improves liver function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week to keep your liver happy. Tip number 5, drink alcohol in moderation or avoid it altogether. Excessive alcohol consumption can cause liver damage and even lead to conditions like cirrhosis. If you do choose to drink, do so responsibly and limit your intake. Tip number 6, minimize your exposure to toxins. Chemicals found in cleaning products, pesticides, and even certain beauty products can harm your liver over time. Opt for natural alternatives whenever possible and make sure to follow safety precautions. Tip number 7, increase your fruit and fiber intake. Fruits like apples, berries, and citrus fruits contain antioxidants that support liver health. Additionally, fiber-rich foods like whole grains, legumes, and vegetables aid in digestion and promote a healthy liver. And there you have it, folks. Some essential tips to keep your liver healthy. Remember, a healthy liver means a healthier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Take care and see you in the next video.